Hi, in this video, I will show you how to create a group chat on Microsoft Teams. So first, you just have to log into your Microsoft, and then here you have to go to the left side or left panel and then click this paper with pencil icon, tap this one. And here you have to simply invite your team members. Or if you want to invite someone here, just enter their name, their email address, or their phone number. For their phone number, you should add them, also their name. But for email address, you can just simply add their email address and they will be notified that you have added them. And all they have to do is to accept that invitation. So let me add my team member here. I'm going to add his email address. And then after that, I'm going to tap that email address here. He should accept this invitation. And also, if you want to add another one, just tap in the space right here and then add an email address and then send an invitation. So again, they should accept this invitation. And then the next thing to do here is you have to go down. You can see this text box right here, and to start with a conversation, you can add emoticons or emojis here. You can also add a picture from your computer gallery. You can add a link. And once you're done, then all you have to do is to click this arrow facing to the right in order for you to send this one. And if you want to change your group name, just tap this pencil right here and then change your group name. And then after that, you just have to click anywhere. Now you see here that you have added a group chat on your Microsoft team. And if you want to change your group name, you can change it anytime. Again, just click this pencil icon and then you can change your group name. So for example, from my team, I'm going to change this to my second project. Suppose that I have first subject, and then after that, I'm going to save this one. Okay, so basically this is how you simply create a group chat here on your Microsoft team. Very easy. Now, if you want to simply invite again, then you just have to simply add people and add their name, their email address, and their number. So that's how to create a group chat on Microsoft Teams. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.